Okay, day 7, Wind River Range. The Green River is very green. But there's some trout in there. Okay, it's time for Bumble's Trail Barometer.
Today, the barometer is more of a thermometer because we woke up to very cold temperatures with frost inside and outside our tents that lingered on the grass around us for a couple hours this morning. But then as we approached camp, we hit some sort of dip and got a heat wave. So I'm hoping tomorrow morning is a lot warmer.
I hope so too. Okay, it's time for the Chairman's Daily Digest. So on the brutality score today was a 7. It was a long day. We did almost 23 miles. We had some high climbs, but then it was downhill. So we're just going to go with a 7. And on the awesome score, it's going to, of course, get a 7 because we're in the winds. So many lakes, so many rivers, so many beautiful streams. Just a magnificent place.